Imagine RIT. It's very inspiring, just showing you all the different things that students are working on. I think the students at RIT are creating the future.
I use technology a lot, but to be in this area and to see how things are put together and how things are being innovated is amazing.
Imagine RIT is absolutely fantastic, and I really love seeing the way in which there's like this intersection of technology and creativity and all the different programs that people are exploring here.
It's really cool to see the students' creativity and innovation on display.
I would say it's a really exciting place to learn new things that you never knew before.
Every step you take, there's like things to look at and people to talk to. It makes me feel inspired.
This festival is really fun because I really enjoyed seeing like all these students making all these really cool things that I could have never thought of. Everybody here is so creative in like totally different ways.